want to straighten out the truck? There you go. Well, let him try it, Tyler.
Tyler, let go.
That don't hurt.
Cooper, you've had a busy day.
Robbie, gentle play.
Are you hanging out with your girlfriend?
Robbie, there's little kids around.
Hey, Cooper. Cooper.
This is like being in school.
He kissed me.
I know he kissed you. He kissed you how many times, Joss?
3.
3 times. Oh, you talking on the CB? Hey, Cooper. Can you give Jocelyn a kiss? Give Jocelyn a kiss. No, that's the CB. That's not. Don't give that a kiss. Cooper. 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 Give Jocelyn a kiss. Cooper. Give Jocelyn a kiss, honey. Not the CB, Goofy. Did you just hit me? Did you just hit me, young man?
Tyler,
You're kissing him?